What is going on? Beautiful, beautiful people. So, yeah, it's been a weird past like several days, a few days here in Michigan. It's just been really, I wouldn't want to say shitty weather. It's just been like not sunny, not really nice. Like we should have had this weather. I honestly feel like we should have had this weather probably like back in April, and it's almost June now. So, I just don't know. I'm hoping. I really wanted to clear up so I can go out and do some kayak. I want to get my kayak out and actually go fishing on my kayak. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that anytime soon if it keeps up like this. Oh, gosh. Bugs around here. Bugs are getting bad. That's how I know it's getting closer to summer, when these bugs are literally awful. Like just a few weeks ago, I could stand right here where it's all like muddy tracks and right next to a lot of grass, a lot of bushes, brushels, and never once had any mosquito, bug, anything come near me. But there's a lot of activity around here. There's a lot of things topping or going on top water. So I wonder if these fish are active a little bit more. Kind of warmed up a little bit. It's not been cold, it's just been rainy. We've had a lot of rain. Mosquito. It landed on me right there. There you go. I'm distracting me away from catching a fish, alright? Oh, there's one right there. He had like the tail of an end of it though. I think it was like a little bass. Look at that shit. Are you kidding me? Look at that shit. I don't know what to watch. My lure or the fucking swan about to fuck some geese up. Bro, there's seven geese and one swan. I swear. Those things can... You are destroying my fishing. There, you glorious bastard. Wow, man, this shit's so heavy as fuck to get through. I'll pop over on the other side. I'm gonna wacky rig a Gary Yamamoto Cinco. I haven't used a Cinco in a long time. Speckle. Yeah. Kind of cool. I'm gonna wacky rig this up though. Thing is, this is more set up for. Oh god. He went for it. They're hungry, man. He immediately went for it too. Oh, he had it. Little guy had it. Come on, buddy. You fucking kidding me? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Nice. Wow, dude, he took that thing off. Are you kidding me? Look at this little guy. Okay. Oh, okay. Jeez. Big ones only put up a fight like this. Oh, it's about I would say about a 26 incher. Yeah, weighing about 4.5 pounds. Woo! Eat doggy. Oh my god, there's a bigger one out there. Okay, well, buddy, I'm sorry. I'm gonna gracefully pop you off right there. I don't know where that big bass is at. There's this one. There we go. Perfect. Oh my God, I did it. Yo, that method, I can't believe that actually worked on that. I watched him take it. I wish you could get a polarized view of that. Oh man, I literally watched him take that. He took it, swam off with it, and I just set it. These mosquitoes get bad. Really, really bad. Alright, try top water over here. Let's do a little bit better cast than that. Steve. Oh my God, man. Dog, these like you kill one mosquito and then 30 more show up. It's like you don't win. I'm not winning right now. I'm losing. I'm currently losing right now. To a bunch of fucking bloodsuckers. You fucking for real, my guy? I'll kill every single one of y'all until every one of y'all is dead. Dead as fuck. I don't care. Dude, I literally feel like when I stand still for 5 seconds, I feel 20 of them literally wrapped around my fucking leg. You fucking bastard. That shit. Look at that little shit right there. Look at that little fucking shit. Holy fuck, dude. I really never had to battle so many mosquitoes in my life. I don't know. All these things I've... Dude, oh my God. Alright, I'm out. I'm out. I can't do it. I can't fucking do it. I'm fucking sick and tired of these goddamn fucking mosquitoes, dude. Holy fuck, man. Holy fucking shit. So I don't know what this video is. Fucking fishing and battling mosquitoes at the same exact time. Like it is... I got bit so many times. I don't know how many mosquitoes I killed, slapped, whatever, but I still caught 2 fish. Those fish that I caught, I just used a wacky worm. I just wacky rigged my worm up. Caught 2 fish. They weren't big, but nonetheless, they're largemouth bass. They're fish. I didn't get to go home skunked. Amazing. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy. Much love on my videos and Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, make sure you go follow me. Everything's in the description. I post on there daily. Post their daily content. But yeah. So, anyways, I just want to say thank you so much. Much love. And if you guys did enjoy, make sure you leave a like. Subscribe if you're new. And remember, keep on fishing. And I'll see you guys on the next fishing adventure. Let's